Hello students, welcome in my YouTube channel Chemistry Classes by Dr. Swarnima Agrawal। आज मैं आपको इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज़ की लर्निंग ट्रिक्स बताने जा रही हूँ। इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज जिसे स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल के बेस पर रखा गया है। जब हम ऊपर से नीचे एलिमेंट्स की तरफ जाते हैं तो स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल इंक्रीज होता है। दैट मीन्स उनका रिडक्शन नेचर जो है वो इंक्रीज होता है। यदि कोई एलिमेंट्स जिसका रिडक्शन ज़्यादा होगा दैट मीन्स इट विल शो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग नेचर, और इफ़ स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल इज लीस्ट, lithium has least standard reduction potential, that means it is showing most oxidation and most reducing agent। कोई भी एलिमेंट जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन ज़्यादा है it will show reducing nature, that means it will reduce other element। So in this case these are the elements and trick for learning is ली के बाप से, काका ने मांगी, अलमारी मनी ज़मीन, कार फ्रेज, सीडी प्लेयर कूलर, निगाहें सुंदरी प्यार भरी। ली के बाप से, काका ने मांगी, अलमारी मनी ज़मीन, कार फ्रेज, सीडी प्लेयर कूलर, निगाहें सुंदरी प्यार भरी। Then hydrogen, these are showing more oxidation nature as compared to hydrogen, and below these hydrogen elements are chapa। C means copper, H means mercury, A means silver, P means platinum, A means gold। This gold Au has most reduction nature, that means most oxidizing agent। Li lithium, K potassium, बाप Ba barium, से strontium, काका Ca कैल्शियम, ने सोडियम, मांगी Mg मैग्नीशियम, अलमारी Al एल्यूमिनियम, मनी Mn मैग्नीज, ज़मीन Zn, जिंक, कार Cr, क्रोमियम, फ्रिज Fe आयरन, सीडी प्लेयर Cd कैडमियम, कूलर Co कोबाल्ट, निगाहें Ni निकल, सुंदरी Sn टिन, प्यार भरी Pb लैड। C छापा C कॉपर, H for Hg mercury, A for Ag silver, P for Pt platinum, A for Au gold। So these are the electrochemical series sequence. You have learned it by this trick, and questions are given from this like which reaction is possible. Suppose you have given this reaction copper plus 2 zinc, zinc plus 2 and copper. You can see copper and zinc. In this is copper and this is zinc. If element is above element show more reactive and more oxidation. So in this case between copper and zinc is showing more oxidation. In this reaction zinc is showing oxidation because it will release electron, and copper it will gain electron and convert in, so it is showing reduction. So according to electrochemical series, zinc is present above the copper, it should show oxidation and it should show reduction. So this is the correct equation. But in second equation, zinc is showing reduction and copper is showing oxidation, so it is wrong. In this reaction, copper and iron, two elements are given, chromium and iron. Chromium show oxidation because it release electron, and iron is showing reduction. So according to this series, you can see this is chromium and this is iron. Chromium present above the iron, so it should show oxidation. If between these two elements we compare, chromium should show oxidation, and in this equation chromium is showing oxidation, so it is again right equation. Suppose copper rod is there, it will dissolve in zinc sulfate solution. So whether it will be dissolved or not. So in this case, zinc is present in zinc 2 positive, copper is present as a metal. So zinc cannot be reduced, cannot be showing reduction in this case. So copper rod will not dissolve in this case. But if we'll take zinc rod plus copper sulfate solution. So zinc, in this case zinc present as a metal and copper present as iron. So it will be oxidized. Zinc will be oxidized and copper will be released as copper. So green PPT will be come at the bottom of copper. So it will be showing zinc rod in copper sulfate will dissolve, but copper rod in zinc sulfate will not dissolve. So this type of questions will come from electrochemical series. Okay, thank you for watching this.